So whenever you go ahead and connect to a computer right here, then what happens is that you can see that it says, please wait for the remote side to accept your session request. So as soon as they go ahead and accept it, then only you'll be able to go ahead and access it. But let's say you want to go ahead and set up a way so that the other person don't need to keep on accepting, but you can enable unattended access, meaning whenever you send a request, you have immediate access to it. So for that, if you were to go around over here, just like this. So let me just go ahead and close this. And you can see that I'm in AnyDesk now. Let's just go ahead and set up an access over here. That is an unattended access for this computer so that others can easily access this computer by using a simple password. So to do that, you can click on the hamburger icon and then click on set password right here. So it says, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? You have to go ahead and accept and then go around for unattended access and then go ahead and type in the password right here. So let me just go around over here and type in the password right here, just like this. So let's just go around over here, type in the password, click on apply. So you can see that this is what you have, and I have enabled unattended access. So if other computer were to actually go ahead and access out your computer, you do get a request right here, but I'm not clicking accept right here. Let's say, for example, if the other user simply goes ahead and types in the password that you have set, and if they were to actually go ahead and access it, then they won't actually need to wait for you to select accept. You can simply go ahead, they can simply go ahead and access the computer without it. So make sure that you do remember to set a strong password, and don't share your password with people that you don't trust. Otherwise, unintended access like this can be a problem as well. So that is what you have, and you can even go ahead and remove the password right here so that you cannot have unattended password anymore as well. So let's just go around over here, and let's say, for example, let me set up the same in the remote computer as well. So I have done the same in the remote computer as well. So as you do that, now you can see the remote computer. If I were to go ahead and connect it, you can see it says connection in progress, please wait right here, just like this. So once, like let's say, for example, it goes through, you can wait for the other user to accept out, or you can simply go ahead and type in the password right here. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and type in the password that I set, and even I can set login automatically from now on and press OK right here. I seem to have entered incorrect password right here, just like this. So let's just go ahead and select this out right here. So let's just go ahead and select it. And it says remote desktop has rejected. Seems like I entered the incorrect password. So let's just go ahead and try again. So let me just go around over here onto the remote desktop. Let me just go ahead and ask for the permission. And then in a while, it'll show up the password area. And you can see that it asks for a password now. So let's just go ahead and type in the password right here. Choose login automatically as well. And once you do that, you have access right here. So let me just go ahead and close it now and then access out again. I actually selected, let's say, for example, login automatically right here. So there seems to be like a connection error. If you were to go ahead and connect now, it will automatically connect out to the computer right here, just like this, as you can see. So that is how you can go ahead and set out password for unattended access inside of AnyDesk. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe